yeah. Get some of that Get us one of them, some fucking little drinks that you'd get. The cans. God, dude. Holy shit. Look, my tires are moving. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, see my voice? Because it was all wet and the wire was corroded and that's why my speakers weren't working. Or my heated seats, and now my seat's working. Did your seat get hot when you were sitting in it? No? Mine does. Yours is just the driver's seat. That seat don't have a button on the side, does it?
Okay, what is it?
Cranberry, ew. Gross. Why do you always give me the grossest shit, dude?
I got acorns.
Huh?
I do cranberries.
I hate cranberries.
I've never tried them.
Cranberry sucks, dude.
I didn't know.
Sucks bad.
Bought you the monsters today.
I got my fucking mount for my... I gotta put it in now.
What? No, we're not. Really, babe? Huh?
I'm really gonna smoke from it. It's like 5 hits and that was a involved.
Today?
Oh, that was other. During the day now. No, I came back here last. the night before. I don't know. Andy's fucking been on one, dude.
I don't even know how many days we have.
I stole this too.
What is it?
It's a magnet, like to pick stuff up and.
Oh. Well, I thought it was like a whip or something.
Oh, actually, Andy's like, grab that, dude. I'll make a pipe out of it. I'd never give it to him. That's why I got my carpet up like that so it can dry. Yep, I'm like 5,000 miles over my oil change. That's not good. Not good at all. Oh boy. Will you smash that wiper one time, please? See all the ice on it? It drives me fucking nuts. It's better than it was, I guess.